everyone, I'm Renika Hayes, and welcome back to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a crucial aspect of divorce proceedings, the scenario where a spouse, often the husband, starts selling assets before the divorce is finalized. Join me on this journey as we explore the legal implications, protective measures, and real-life examples associated with this challenging situation. We'll begin by discussing the signs that may indicate a spouse is selling assets with the intention of diminishing the marital estate before divorce. Understanding these warning signs is essential for the spouse who may be at risk of financial harm in the divorce settlement. Selling marital assets without proper disclosure or agreement can have serious legal consequences. We'll delve into the legal implications of asset disposition, including the impact on property division, alimony, and overall financial outcomes in divorce. Real-life case examples will illustrate how courts view such situations in action. If you find yourself in a situation where your spouse is selling assets before divorce, what can you do to protect your financial interests? We'll explore proactive measures, including obtaining court orders, documenting the disposition of the assets, and seeking legal guidance to safeguard your financial future. To provide a deeper understanding, we'll examine real-life scenarios where a spouse engaged in the authorized sale of assets during divorce proceedings. These cases will highlight the challenges faced, the legal responses initiated, and the eventual outcomes. What legal recourse and remedies are available to the spouse who discovers that assets have been sold without consent? We'll explore the avenues for seeking remedies within the divorce proceedings, including adjustments to property division and potential financial compensation. Imagine a case where a husband, anticipating divorce, sells a valuable family home without informing his wife. We'll walk through the scenario, examining the legal consequences, the wife's discovery of the sale, and the steps she can take to address this unauthorized asset disposition within the divorce proceedings. Guarding your financial future during a divorce is paramount, especially when faced with the challenge of a spouse selling assets without proper disclosure. If you're navigating a similar situation, remember that the Law Office of Brian Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for joining us in exploring the vital topic of husbands selling assets before divorce, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.